Well, here we are at GoToMath.com working on some calculus and evaluating limits analytically. So let's take a look at this limit. We've got the limit as x approaches 0 of x over the square root of x plus 17 minus the square root of 17. So let's go over to the whiteboard and work this thing out. So we have the limit as x approaches 0 of x over the square root of x plus 17 minus the square root of 17. Now if we did the direct substitution, and I'll just do that over here, we end up with 0 plus 17 under the radical minus the square root of 17. So this is going to become 0 in the numerator and 0 in the denominator. Alright, so not good. When you see this, we're just going to do that conjugate thing. Now I worked out one just a minute ago where it was just the opposite, where the radicals was up in the numerator. So what we're going to want to do is multiply through by the conjugate of the bottom. We have x plus 17. Now because this is a minus here, we're going to put a plus. Alright, square root of 17. And then down here in the denominator, we rewrite that first part. We have x plus 17 minus the square root of 17, and then of course times its conjugate, x plus 17 minus the square root of 17. Now we can do the multiplication and cancel out some stuff. So there's nothing we can do with the numerator. Nothing there other than let's just rewrite it. Okay? And it's all over. Now we multiply the denominator. So we got square root of x plus 17 times square root of x plus 17. And that just becomes x plus 17. Alright. And then we're going to multiply the last parts because the inside stuff is going to cancel off when we do all that. So we end up with minus 17. Now we can cancel some stuff out. 17 minus 17 is 0, and of course we've got a 0. So then we have an x in the numerator, x in the denominator. Those are going to cancel out. And now I'm going to rewrite the limit as x approaches 0 of, this is what we're left after the smoke has cleared the room. Okay? And just for the heck of it, I'll put a parentheses around that. Now we can do the direct substitution, plugging 0 directly in. And of course, you know, on my website, right, you just go through and practice these problems over and over and over again, and you're going to ace the test. Okay? I'm not exactly sure why I'm even writing all that. Let's just do equals here and then do the substitution in. So that's 0 plus 17 plus, alright, and so that becomes 2 times the square root of 17, and there's not much more we can do there. Okay, and I do believe that's what I got. You come over, click the help button, and it's pretty much just how, well, like I worked it out on the board. So you're going to want to, where we at, button 5 here, click and practice, right? Keep practicing because practice makes perfect. Whoa, there's a whole bunch of them in this section. Hey, I kind of like that. And then you can do that and go back to there and come over here and then go back to here, and before you know it, you'll ace your test. And man, I've even got problems way out there. Okay, good luck. And I almost say good hunting, but I don't know why I'd say that. I think that's what we just got through doing. There it is. Get busy. Move that pencil. All right, bye.